Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the system off and removing all cables. You want no power present. Once done, flip the PSU switch to off and unplug the mains cable for safety. Make sure to ground yourself using a wrist strap or by touching metal to bleed static. Next, remove the case side panel and visually confirm the GPU location. Disconnect monitor cables and any 6 or 8-pin power leads so you can access the retention mechanism without strain. You now remove the mechanical attachments. Unscrew the bracket screws holding the GPU to the chassis and set them aside in order. Once the screws are out, depress the PCIe slot latch, usually a small tab at the end of the slot, and support the card with your other hand. Pull the card straight out with steady force, don't twist or wiggle aggressively. After removal, inspect the PCIe connector and card contacts. Blow short bursts of compressed air to clear dust, and with the card out, reattach the side panel and reconnect mains power. If you plan to use integrated graphics or swap GPUs, plug the display into the correct port now. Boot into BIOS or the operating system to verify the GPU is absent or the new device is recognized, and install appropriate drivers when needed. If you see no display, power down, reseat the card, or try a different PCIe slot. Confirm auxiliary power plugs are secure, and test the monitor and cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.